Check this out, LEGO models a vintage typewriter with fully working keys. LEGO fans who are tired of building the classic LEGO Star Wars set, this new model is for you. LEGO springs back in time and brings into life a LEGO typewriter, a nostalgic machine modeled with LEGO pieces, complete with moving keys and a carriage which one can feed paper into. The LEGO typewriter was brought to life by LEGO designers Wes Talbot and James May. According to Wes, the concept of the LEGO typewriter came from an envisioned, imaginative design that one of their fans submitted in LEGO Ideas. British LEGO fan Steve Guinness submitted his concept of a LEGO typewriter on the site and gained over 10,000 public votes, which led to his concept being brought to life. The two designers discussed how they created the nostalgic model in the clip LEGO Designer 21327 posted on LEGO's official YouTube channel. Talbot revealed that working in the typewriter keys was the first thing he started with, as they wanted to have all the 31 keys pressable and functioning. The designers also stated that the typewriter model set was based on the real typewriter owned by the company founder Ole Kirk Christensen. Recommended for builders ages 18 and over, the 2079 block set for the typewriter costs $199.99 and is slated for release on July 1, but members of the brand's VIP site can purchase it starting June 16. Once fully built, the model boasts of fully working keys and, of course, the nostalgic classic sound of a click-clacking typewriter.